Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show, hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your master. I am your host. I'm your master. Is that the right? Am I your? I'm not the I'm not your master. I am just the host, the master crayon eater. And as always, my amazing co-host, which I'm gladly to say that he is also on my side on today's parlay against the Cowboys. Family play. Did you hedge? I have a feeling that you hedged.
No, I didn't. It's funny because I wanted to take the Cowboys and under, and you told me to take the Eagles and over, which was completely the opposite of what I
opposite.
Yeah,
way opposite.
Thanks.
Yeah, my amazing co-host, like always.
Thank you. Teflon Chan in the building.
Leezy Fosheezy is in the heezy. What a good day today. I was happy about how it ended. We didn't have like the initial pop that we usually get on a Monday, but one thing that I really did love about today was how everything dipped in the morning and we recovered. We recovered the plays that we were long on. We definitely recovered, and I think there's more to them tomorrow, one of which we will discuss after we do the intro. But before that, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Let me pull this up. I have it straight right here, and it's fire. Still buying options with a wide spread? Don't take offense when we call you a bonehead. Bust Down Investments, Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com.
I'll do a 9 on that one.
A 9! I like my averages. Ever since we started doing it, I like my averages. I haven't gotten anything below an 8 yet. I have not gotten anything below an 8 yet. Also, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up, because Jonathan, give us a thumbs down. Fishnet stockings and all. Make sure you guys also drop down in the comment section below. You got the stocks you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get to it after this intro. Member gains.
Whoa.
It's such a good sound. I at this point, even if I just record it myself, I think it's already obnoxiously good.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna keep it for what it is. Let's take a look at some member gains for this amazing Monday. Let's start the day off right. Where do we start at today? 27th. The captain of the ship. Jay Speeds. Captain J took Tesla twice.
Captain
up
Jackson.
And down. Took Tesla up for a nice 301 and took Tesla down for a nice 141. Took some mRNA puts to the downside, but that didn't pan out. Cut out a little too early from what I understand, but it is what it is. We got some more tomorrow, I feel. Knowledge, our boy Alvin hitting Boeing for $92, upstart for 41, some gas money. I'm liking the gas money action, right? Matt with $8 on -6 because of kind of evened out. Huh?
Share your screen.
Oh, am I not sharing my screen? Oh, rookie mistake. There we go. My bad.
People need to see this, especially that one here.
I know. Let's start from the top. Captain J hit 141 and 301 on Tesla. Knowledge, $92 and 41. Also, yeah, reminded. You know what? To that guy, how bored are you? I want to know more about you so I can talk more shit about you. I want to know what kind of flowers you like. I'm going to send you your favorite flowers.
Or what crayons.
Hey, now. That's offensive to crayon eaters. Matt took some Square, right? Autodesk. Dude, a lot of chatter about Autodesk lately. I got to do my due diligence on some Autodesk. People have been trading Autodesk.
Yeah, Matt texted me last night about Autodesk. I was putting on watch.
A lot of trades on Autodesk. AMD. Savage moves for Andrew. AMD.
AMD looked good, man. AMD looks good.
Yeah. AMD did well. Tef Leezy Fosheezy, the legend lives on. Huh?
Yes, and we're gonna reposition this one.
Yeah, so Jumia is still a play. I'm currently in. I'll talk about that in a bit. $1,400. That's some honest work.
That's not
Some
bad.
honest
Yeah.
work. You
It's,
just push some buttons today, right? That's you
yeah.
button pusher. Nice. Juve got out some GT calls. I cut my GT position way too early. You know who also made money on GT?
Mm.
The wife. The wife made a nice $300 on GT.
You guys were on GT?
Yeah, we ran GT, and then I cut too soon. She managed to stay in, and she cut it today. You ended
She needs
up
to get
what
on
was
the.
this?
She needs to get on the show, man.
Did you close SoFi?
No, I'm still on this one. Yeah, we're still
Nice. We're
holding.
still up.
So we got November expiration on this one, so
Yeah, we
we
still
got
have
plenty
some
of
time. Lotto Pena on some Baba calls.
I know. I was looking at Baba and Zoom too. Missed both
Yeah.
of them.
Nice. And then I managed to take away 348 on Jumia. I'm still waiting. I have 2 more calls that are in there. I left them as runners. I saw something on the charts that I really did like, so we're gonna talk about that
Yeah.
in a bit. But that's pretty much it for some member gains. Now let's take a look at the first stock that we want to cover is Jumia. Let's pull up the screen on Jumia.
Jumia.
Jumia. It was hella funny earlier. You sent me a gif of pancakes. I'm like, what the fuck am I gonna do with pancakes? And in my head, I'm like, are you having pancakes for breakfast?
No, I typed up Aunt Jemima, and that thing came
Those
up.
the first thing. Obviously, that's the first thing that's gonna come up is pancakes.
Syrup came up. Like,
Pancakes
I
and
can't have
syrup.
pancakes, and I was like, "Well, I wasn't telling you about pancakes. I was telling you about Aunt Jemima."
Let's take a look at Jumia. See, again, this is the reason why John and I tell you guys all the time: respect the EMAs.
Yes, got
Respect
rejected.
the EMAs. It got rejected off of the 50, right?
Yep.
John's been talking
That's
about
what-
this for
That's what
quite
we
the
sold.
longest time. Yeah, that's where John sold. John
We
sold
sold
at
at
the 50.
21.10
John sold at the 50.
at
Look
the
at
very
that.
top.
It got like, how many times did it get rejected from the 50? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times off the 50. Respect the EMAs, right? Respect your moving averages. That's the reason why we trade off of technicals on this show. Some fundamentals for sure, but this was a purely technical trade, right? We saw the Bollinger Band get pierced over here, and conventional theory is that it bounces all the way back to the next band. And what did it do? It rode to the next band, right? It pierced a little bit. It touched it. It got rejected off of it. So we might see some more tomorrow. As long as it doesn't pierce above it, I think I was good holding. And that's pretty much it for Jumia. You want to add on anything, John?
Yeah, for this one, so I'm all out of my positions. I got stopped out on my last 5. I completely forgot I had 25 contracts for this one. And so for this one right here, we're looking to rebuy tomorrow if it does bounce off of the EMA 9 or the 20. If it breaks the 50, even better. As long as it holds above that 50 level, then it should be a good add. But if it gets rejected again, then we might have to let that go for a day or 2. For this one right here, the long-term target, which is, I don't know, maybe a month from now, is about 24.
Yeah,
24. Because that's the 100 EMA. And then if you zoom out, you can actually see that it touched the 100 EMA back in June 28th, 29, and you got June 3rd, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it touched it so many times that it got rejected. So most likely there's going to be sellers up there as well. Those are the last couple of times that it touched it. And then previous times were back in April. Yeah, so keep an eye on the 100 EMA because most likely we will touch it sooner than later. But yeah, so we'll keep you guys posted on that one.
Gotcha. The reason why I held on, I might hold on for another day or two, is because the EMA 9 just touched the 20 to the
Yeah,
upside. So if that
yeah,
crosses over, we are gonna see a
that looks
lot
good.
more room to the top.
Mhm.
Initial current, the current resistance that I see is $22.21, right? If we're gonna take it from past resistances, that's where I currently see it. But if we ultimately get there, and then I think I'm gonna sell off there, and then if it runs again, we'll just reposition the calls itself.
Sounds good.
Nice. The next stock that we want to talk about is AMD. AMD
Indeed.
was strong.
Strong today, man.
It's strong.
Well, Nvidia flopped.
I didn't even manage to check Nvidia, but AMD is strong. Look at this.
This one looks good for a continuation play. Yeah.
That is a beautiful hammer. That
Hmm.
is a beautiful hammer for AMD. Why is my Zoom always messing up here? There you go. That is a very nice hammer on AMD. Again, all your indicators are pointing to the top side. Look at this
Hmm.
MACD. That's a beautiful MACD touch,
Yeah.
right? We'll just wait for that to cross over. And I think if you're looking at it from a current level of resistance, I would say it is right here, right where the Bollinger Band is to the top side.
Hmm.
So let's set an alert there at or above. You're looking at 111.31.
Yeah.
So much
This
more
looks good.
room to the top
Yeah.
side right
This looks
there.
good.
Yeah. So I'm liking AMD. Anything you want to add on AMD?
This one, I'm a little cautious about, tech stocks still. I mean, even though the ones that we've been trading are all tech stocks, but AMD, I mean, this one, I might do shares on these, instead of doing calls, because shares you can hold on to, really.
Yeah.
But I'll
AMD
take
is
it
one of
posted
those
on that
stocks
one.
that,
Yeah.
oh, yeah. Yeah. I feel like that too. But AMD is one of those stocks that you really want to just stash,
Yeah.
right? AMD is one of those stocks that you want to stash because no matter how bad, like everything else, like, how the noise gets in terms of the stock market, there's supply chain issues, there are chip shortages, whoop de whoop, whatever, right?
Tesla's not having a chip issue at all.
No, 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 no. I'm having a chip issue, a potato chip issue. I can't put them down. Uh, but I feel like these tech stocks that are manufacturers as well as in the software, there's so much more room and so much more potential as as their business model grows. And I think AMD is one of those stocks that surprised us, right? Because AMD's always been that like second to Nvidia, and it's always been like it hasn't been talked about that much, but now that we're seeing, a lot more people are getting into the mining aspect of it. AMD also came out with better chips in terms of graphics cards. So I think
Mhm.
there's more room here. It's not going to run like $400 or $500 like Nvidia did, but I still see this as a potential like $150 to $200 stock by the end of next year.
That sounds about right. Yeah.
Yeah. The next stock that we want to cover is Tilray. John, Tilray.
Tilray, this one is a very, I would say, Tilray is always a high risk, high reward type of play. So we've traded QS, we've traded Jumia, and this one has a somewhat a similar setup. Okay, and the reason being is that it broke the 9 today, it got rejected on the 20, and when Tilray runs, Tilray we've seen it run 10% days. So just the reason we're putting this on watch is because of the technical setup that it's
Mhm.
presenting us. So once it goes above the 20 and then the 9 crosses the 20, your next stop right here is 13.5. Okay, so for this one right here, just keep an eye on this one. I know you've already entered a small position. This one I'm putting it on watch because I feel like a lot of these so-called BS stocks, they've been moving. They've
They
been
have
moving
been.
like
They
for no
really
reason.
have been
Like,
moving.
look at FSR, look at Nikola, look at
Oh god.
QS, look at Jumia. I mean, they all have similar setups, and we've seen them. You and I we were just comparing them side by side, and you're like, there's no catalyst, but for some reason they're running. All of these stocks are running to the 50 MA.
There's
Okay,
earnings.
but
There's
if
earnings next week.
oh, never mind then.
there's, there's,
I mean, if this thing runs all the way to 50, that's $1.30.
Yeah.
That's a big move right there. That's a 10% move really
Mhm.
for Tilray. So at its current level right now. So just keep this on watch. I'm gonna watch it again tomorrow. See if it breaks the 20. If it does, then I will I'm gonna start a position, most likely a starter, and then ride this all the way to 50.
I'm with you right there. I did jump the shark a little bit today because I was working and I'm like, I can't really watch that much. So I said, let's hop in and then just manage the risk later. But I like Tilray for a nice little pop, and then it's not going to be like a forever hold because again, these stocks, very questionable.
They are questionable.
Very questionable at the very least. But that's pretty much it. Anything else you want to add on, John?
No, we're good, man.
That's pretty much it for Daddy Bits. Thank you guys for joining us, and make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up if you like this content, because we give us a thumbs down. A full one. Drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. Also, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. If you're new to trading, don't know where to start, or just want to join a group of active traders, hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, and we'll get you guys pointed in the right directions. Follow us on all our social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. And with that being said, let's get trading, guys. And remember that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.